Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get Discord presence for Visual Studio Code. Well, first, what you want to do is open up your Visual Studio Code. Now what you want to do is go to the extensions right here, then search for Discord presence, and this is the one. Now once you saw this one, you just need to click on it. So this one has 1.7 million downloads, and what you want to do is just click on install and search for explicit install. So now when we go back to Discord, as you can see, it shows a Visual Studio Code idling, and basically if you want to edit here, so go back to it, then click on extension settings. Here you could change it, or change this one for the lower details, lower space idling. You could just put on hello there. So put it down here. So could edit all these just like so. And when you go back and check your start. Now if you go to create a file, as you can see, it now shows the hello there, and editing config.json, so it shows the file that you're editing and stuff, but it doesn't show the workspace, the idling and stuff. It just shows the hello there message, so for privacy and stuff. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.